In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to block channels on YouTube as of this date. So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube, and let's go with the Mr. Beast right here. For example, let's say that you'd want to block Mr. Beast or any channel that you'd want. So I'm going to go into that video, and from here, I'm going to go into the channel page. So you could basically do this the same thing with the PC. And from here, what you want to do is to tap here on the three dots on the top right, and then you'd have the hide user from my channel. So this is basically the new block here in YouTube, because I don't know why, but YouTube has removed the option to totally block this channel, like its videos, from this account. Like when I tap here in hide user from my channel, all it says that it will hide existing and future comments, not content, from this user on my channel. So you can tap here on hide user, and basically all you can do now is pray that this channel that will not appear on your FYP or in your recommendations. Also, you can just tap here into unsubscribe, and from there, it could also help in lessening the appearance of this channel in your newsfeed. So you could also do that. And then next is that you could go for block channel for kids. So this is the only feature right here that lets it totally block, but this is only for kids if you are in a kids account. So you can do this right here. But yeah, the block option for all the videos on this channel on regular YouTube accounts is not available. I don't know why YouTube has removed that, but yeah, this is the best thing that we can do as of this date. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.